everyone. Some time ago I made a video about how to make credits in PowerPoint. There's a new method and now I'm going to show you just that. So for credits, first of all we need a black background, and then we need to write all the things we need in the credits. For that we needed two text box, if you remember. So like now once we have got it, what we used to do is that we made a motion path out of it. But now it is not that. Now what we can do is simply, there is a new animation in PowerPoint which is known as credits. So if you go to animations, more entrance effects, and at the end you'll see credits. And if we go to OK, and then we just have to adjust that it should start after previous, after the transition, and duration should be, let's say, 5 seconds for this one. And if we preview it now, isn't that way easier? Just a ready-made animation and we have made our credits. This is a better way than the last one, in which the last one was a bit complex. We had to add motion paths, but if you want to watch the last one, the link is up there. You can check it out. And thank you so much, and bye.